Welcome. Today we're going to guide you through the simple steps to end activity for a connected device on the Pinterest app for PC, especially after the new update. If you've ever wanted to manage your sessions and secure your account by signing out devices you no longer use, this walkthrough is for you. First, start by opening the Pinterest app on your PC. Once the app is up and running, look toward the left side menu where you'll find a gear icon. This icon represents the settings menu, so go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll be taken to the settings window. Here, you want to focus on the security section. Click on Security to open all related options. This area is where you can view and control all devices currently connected to your Pinterest account. After you're in Security, find and select the option labeled Show Sessions. This will display a list of all active sessions, showing you the devices that are currently logged into your account, along with relevant details such as device type and the time of the last activity. Now that you can see all your connected devices, locate the device you wish to sign out or end activity for. Next to that device, you'll see the End Activity button. Click on it to proceed. Finally, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your action. Tap on Revoke Sessions to finalize ending the activity on that device. This will immediately sign out the selected device from your Pinterest account, helping you maintain control over your account security. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily manage the devices connected to your Pinterest account on your PC. Whether you're securing your account after using public computers or simply cleaning up active sessions, this method is quick and effective. Thanks for watching.